Hello, 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 everybody. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover. And this is our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent unboxing. And today we are on day 8. How is everybody? I hope you had a wonderful evening last night. Let's grab our tea bag. Open it up, reach in. What do we got? Pure mint. Pure mint. Blend of spearmint and peppermint leaves. That ought to be interesting. Let's see what it's like. It smells like spearmint gum. That's exactly what it smells like. Spearmint gum. Okay. Mint tea. Let's give that a little soak. You gotta pop it down in the water so it'll... There we go. I'm assuming this is an herbal tea. Yep, herbal tea. Okay, so we're gonna let that mint tea soak. It already smells wonderful. Now I can smell the peppermint. Before I could just smell the spearmint. It smells wonderful. I got the embroidery done last night. All done. I knew it was going to be an easy one, so I just jumped on it and did it. And I must say, so we were on the 5 golden rings. And I think it looks pretty darn good. I did the number kind of in satin stitch. In the long parts I did satin stitch, in the small parts I just kind of almost did like a brick stitch. But I like it a lot better. I think it turned out pretty darn good. So this is how she looks so far. Coming right along. And the next one is the 6 geese a laying. So we'll get started on that. There's quite a bit to that one. So I'm glad I'm a little bit ahead. I think I'm a little bit ahead. I don't remember. I think I am. But I'm liking it. Let's look at our box. This is day 8. It is a dove, I believe. And let's see what it says. Found all over the world, the dove symbolizes the spirit of forgiveness and peace. Symbolizes the spirit of forgiveness and peace. Pretty nice. Okay. And I did pre-open it, so I don't have to fight with the lid this time. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, another box. Another box. It is from Nutmeg and Arlo.com in the UK. Oh, right there. Nutmegandarlo.com. Never heard of them. The home of super cute stationery and accessories. Nutmeg and Arlo. Oh, it's washi tape. You want to know something funny? I have been searching for washi tape. I have a project in mind. I don't want to tear the box. I've got a project in mind that requires washi tape. And I think you pull it out of here. I think you can just pull it right out of there and use it that way. And I was looking all over for some washi tape, but I didn't want to buy like a huge, oh yeah, it is a roll in there. So you're not meant to open it. You got to just twist this thing around and find the start of it. Well, that is a project for another time. But I'm very excited. Yeah, I was looking for some washi tape, but I didn't want to have to buy a set of like 12 of them because I just needed one roll. I'm looking for something I can poke under here. And everything I have is too big. So I'll have to find something later to poke under here and open this. Yeah, even that's too big. So we got some washi tape, and I can tell it's got some little flowers on it. Flowers and leaves. How fun. Nutmeg and Arlo. We'll have to go there to that website and check it out. 10 meters of washi tape. So that's probably about 12 yards. That's quite a bit. Yeah, it's a big, heavy, thick roll of it. Fun, fun, fun. Washi tape. Okay, we'll add this to the box and turn it around. And it looks like we got some trees poking out there. What did I say today? Yeah, today's 8. And so that goes right in there. And then day 9 is way over there in the corner. And that'll be tomorrow. We'll pull out day 9. I think, oh, we gotta taste our tea. I always forget to taste the tea. Now that I don't have them made up ahead of time. Yeah, it's very minty. It's not horrible. It wouldn't be my first choice, but I wouldn't turn it down. I would drink this before I would drink the chamomile from yesterday. Yeah, actually that's pretty nice. Kind of soothing. All right, that is it for today. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and we'll be opening another box, trying some more tea, and see how far we get on the embroidery. We'll talk to you soon. Please like, please subscribe, and please pass this on to somebody that you think might enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.